Go back. This way. Okay, go back. Oh, it's about the Abronye issue. Last time, only Baba Amandu Sunyani was communication officer. Only Baba Amandu the ultimate backcourt. Abronye anti-member. No home fan. So he's traveling small. So you buy another police for inviting or calling to Omutishen. Never court nana judge remanding for 2 weeks for on-call remand for police custody 2 weeks. So the ACR.
People for next move missing.
Or we'll go to high court. We'll go and appeal that decision. Send the Baba Amandu thereby call high court. And we'll go and fight the case. So higher jurisdiction.
This is arrest here cost
Debbie. MPP is stronger than what you are seeing today. Even Rollins or the revolution NDC stands strong. And no government or no group of people can bring MPP down. MPP will have foundation. Even the revolution, when they are murdering people, killing people, NDC strong and fight up to date. So MPP is not a party you can just cowl us, arrest, intimidation. That will let us shut our mouth. Debbie. MPP have a foundation, rule of law, and we believe, say, wherever it is, we'll come after it. We have foundation, and nobody can arrest our members or our guys for the country that can make NDC remain power forever. MPP, the elephant, when you go check all animals, the animals who don't forget what we did for him is elephant. Also, or no, neye abua. So the NDC shouldn't forget they are dealing with elephant. Elephant is strong and we have foundation. Even the revolution will survive, not a democracy government.
Yes, the reality that is going on. Bibia eye krese enede de ya me no ka say. O man na wotimu no. Asumdwe nim. Asumdwe ye fe na asumdwe bi nim. Se wo ye wadwene se wo obekasa na wasema obeka no enkoye for the NDC party. They will come after you. Mia Abronye ye boni o. Abronye ye boni. Now, the Muhammad the NPP for enen. He should understand say the two for a can editor NDC for. Say to me, amanyo to me, amamo to me, ye ninkaso. Say the two for can say NDC for you free. Say oman and I say omanyo sem to me ye ninkaso NDC for you free. And this is for the free say 2012 na Mahama ye president. January 7th 2017. Now when you pia oba country on post of or somebody a homeless person. And this is for the free near my winum. And the day obi baby say Bonnie Peng and Abronye aya. And na menusunti. And this is for two on a ni asine so. Say omunya ya Abronye emane nante as a free man on the land of Ghana. Abronye ye boni o. The reason why the NDC is going after Abronye is just simple way. Just to make sure say there will not be any solid communication on the media, on the social media, ebe punch the weakness of the party called NDC. They are not comfortable with what Chairman to me is doing. Their chairman on the channel no so no. The truth and information that Chairman to me, sorry, Chairman Abronye and Saka, and with the type of velocity Abronye said to me information free a baimuno. And this is where they cannot understand. And the end is if we see omo adwene mu omo akwa mu omo ntotoye mu the powers from the top and say they will do everything to stop Abronye from speaking. Pachotem yepa John Dariga Dramani Mahama social media ekasa social media commentary social media personal attacks, social media hatred, and a leading to become the leader of the country today. No, that man is today fighting against the same processor or no a benefit here. And I see Abronye ne boni awaya ne say wakasa diafa adenta court judge bi ho. And Abronye enkonkodam 2 weeks. Tiemiyepa. Yesi Abronye akandie emfata e de afa judge bi ho. Enti onkodam 2 weeks. Na andi simpan fo wure free say ye nyina yete oman we mu e na papa na ye na ye the president of the country no. Etna se e kan say judges na omuwo Supreme Court no. Ose omuye animals ose no non-animals judges. President Mahamo eka said it here high court judges. One fancy ho. Sa chama sa papa we for John Dariga Dramani Mahama we ya. Ono ne bo akwabi ye fe Kevin Taylor or America. Otia ni sika ni aeroplane ticket. A man in the house of the vice president in the theater a Sunday national security born a home buying at the Supreme Court yi the warrant of arrest a free in so. Ni free said the intent the warrant of arrest that Kevin Taylor so se wakasa judges. Na eno nsumpo no na ntisa asema Chairman Abronye kan ye. And some Kevin Taylor Kafa's high Supreme Court judges hono. It was completely a personal attacks, threaten, defamation content, defamation expressions. And Kevin Taylor a candidacy judges for so. But then I'm saying na Kevin Taylor kano. Eye juma na se eye juma ema John Mahama bedi president intino. Ono papa ni timi born a homodin eye de obetumi aye in the powers of his corridor. Edi esevu anase edi sevu Kevin Taylor from being arrested because Ghana court, competent jurisdiction court, aye Ghana Supreme Court, High Court, edi asembua Kevin Taylor say, whenever Kevin Taylor is being seen, he should be arrested. In fact, Kevin Taylor was not able to come to Ghana for the whole time when MPP was in power. As soon as NDC came to power, John Mahama brought Kevin Taylor to Ghana to do all the necessary things to take away any accusation on him. Obio Tumitna media so for 1 hour. Now take judges. No dio mwatem go mwani masi edin echan trodi gu on so. That person had mercy from John Dariga Dramani Mahama. But someone maybe both video actually the entire the edit chi Abronye ne maybe watch This is why I always stand to say, me chama won to me. I know say oh yeah. Dr. Bawumia lovely boy. Ope Dr. Bawumia sempa. Or Dr. Bawumia very serious. Me ametiai. When chama won to me will do everything that he can do just to support you, Dr. Bawumia. But I never heard near my NDC for a year. When you are more fast or more taking some of the people to maltreat them, Abronye Chamawun to me, Kwabena Dubuahe, and all the other people. No? So when you knock off Chamawun to him, and by national chairman say, "Wom party no go," they would destroy the party organization. Because Chamawun to me so on nam hononye bonio a personal hatred. A personal hatred. The idea Abronye, the idea Abronye no. Abronye ye bonintia obio. It is just to treat him bad, just to show him where power lies. That is what the NDC is doing to Abronye. Because enkaye can nipa or deserve a serious punishment for disrespecting court judges in the country. First should be John Dramani Mahama himself. Second, Kevin Taylor. And if possible, third, Sami Jamfi, who stood on various platforms to attack national or the court judges in the country, the high court judges and the Supreme Court judges. Even to the point, the NDC communication machinery were after the what is the name? The JC, what is the name? The Chief Justice of the country, Madam Tokono. The NDC communicators were insulting and attacking the woman. And because we were because we believe and we knew that we were living in a democratic jurisdiction, you know. Nana Ado Dankwa Akufuado allow everything to flow, thinking that to develop a country, you need to get people who will be actively criticizing you so that you can arrange your things and put things in order. But instead of us to go forward, inside of us to move beyond the primitive mentality and dictatorship mentality, no, here John Dramani Mahama is taking us back to Jerry John Rawlings coup d'etat period. Adentia Bonne Ben and Agana for Adjei. Bonne Ben and MPP ni Ghana for Adjei John Mahama. Yaman is such a big responsibility to develop and to lead a country like this. Now we're in a near free, his personal and the first duties on him. We're in a near free, so number no all go after people who are not doing nothing bad, but actually trying to what? Bring bring out constructive criticism on the government. Constructive criticism and Abronye on his platform. Constructive criticism and a subio MPP communicators on the various platforms on the social media. But as soon as you open your mouth, now Tigana Maimun dia, these guys will come after you and put you in uncomfortable and on this woman situation. Look at how we are treating Abronye. What has Abronye done to the NDC party? Now, senka say na yaya ne dia, and then can this and to me am power. Enka Sami Jamfi Adjei Bashinteli kwasi ampanyini. What is the name of the other guy? Momo bo mudre mame. Those stupid communicators, those stupid, arrogant communicators, Sam George, nom Okuja Tabra Quanum, and Tro Mudi, and Contompo Mudi, how they denigrated the images of the first gentlemen of the land. The idea, Dr. Bawumia and Yere, and Sama Yekafa Papa in Yere, how this man was insulted across the media. And some of the defamation commentary among foreign DC for Yedefa and Penfo, but nothing happened to them. Just because we were thinking that where we are moving to, we are going forward, we are developing, and the word democracy must to be maintained and make sure say everyone in the country yenka wanumukasa ento enyede enkan show. But Yera Mahama is completely disagree with this. Yera Mahama say he don't agree. Say we Ghana ni ba ubenya ano edi aka de odwene afa na mamuo ho. So we should all be silent. We should all be silent and praise him. And we are influent in the media. Now we can't say now one praise the man called John Mahama. They will come after you within a shorter possible time. The reality of the fact, and I say, we are living under so-called camouflage democracy under this John Tariqa Dramadi administration. The arrest of arrester, unreasonable reasons on which they base to arrest the people is coming too much and too loud. You cannot pretend to say you want to lead about 35 million people and you don't want to be criticized. Whom are you? Whom are you? To me, we gave you the power. It is the masses that queued up to give you that power that you're holding today, with the oppressing the people in the society. When you were coming in power, what you guys promised us and say you were coming to arrest corrupt practices, MPP are buying here and what a year under the administration. Mobano, Mose a man for Sika. Mose a man for Afghana no mum. Mose MPP for their buying Sika, Ashisha or Wankas or Mobotum. And Timo Beji Edia society num amay watoye. Namokasa about 21 billion US dollars. Mobile, you know. Instead of you to go after those properties, ya memi ye Ghana ni. It is all young people ni penina udi o mine sikane ye chiwa. I will not come and defend you. But enkrofo we buy, you know. And Trona or Mudi Chile yen. Now Munim said there are no evidence to do whatever they were claiming, but it was just a tactics to win power, you know. And then Omweje no atoho, and Omu showcase the arrest of people without any good reason. It is a shame. And very, very disgraceful. Say after 69 years of independence, of what them call constant practices of democracy in a country. Ibenya bambi na obeba be digana manso na obeye na adwene say he will not allow people to talk about his bad deals of governance. Enye because John Mahama wants to arrest all of us abroad and locally. So what he wants to achieve will never happen. And we will send them into opposition in 2028 by force. Abusia, may a winning team. May a winning team, papa. But I made him any join it. But when I'm meeting a channel, I'm not following him for now. I'm following him for a big deal that will happen, which Dr. Bawumia is going to win the election. Mr. Adjei said John Mahama, Emma International, what them call Interpol, and Antiwo across the whole world. to arrest anyone that speaks against his administration. And yes, Adia, you can arrest Abronye 70 times. We will get another 70, 88 Abronye people to come and talk. And what the NDC does not understand, they say, because them, politically, they are dumb. They are fools, politically. The more you arrest Abronye, the more Abronye become famous. And anytime Abronye will on his camera, there be Abronye person the camera piano. That will be the barrier day of the NDC. Momachi mi biye. And this is for momachi mi binamen fanji mi ding. Momachi mi binamen fanye fame. Momachi mi binamen politically exposed. Momena ita na momachi me. Anada me bagana be a medical send them a passport details di amamo. Monchi mi bi na menye famous. Minya mi famous name on the media. What is going on? What is going on naturally? Dear Nancy, dear Nasa woman, dear Ben Pana Mahame, perfect Ghana for what? Onya ya, and I'm a nusuntia, or she obey Ghana for my woman. We did not vote for this. The reason why we Ghanaians voted for John Mahama was different. We believe in the agenda. What's the agenda? The 24-hour economy. 1-3-3-3. That is what we voted for. We voted for the automatic nurse posting. We voted for completion of Agenda 111 across the country. We voted for the creation of jobs for the people and the youth. We did not vote for you people to come after us and arrest us at anyhow. Now, me pese wuntie the reason why they are going after Abronye, and later tell me if asema oti no video no amebe boachiro mu no, does it mount to a point to say yebechi ni pan de atum for 2 weeks? Tie video we na yensan emra yechi tie pressure to see the force say sofo akasa mo nkwache na me oba ba cheme a me na dey interest say ha me obi abompa ye se awurade ma praying enti akofo adonto fam awurade nkum akofo adone na busuafo nyina CID fo ankwankwache no ewo krom ha CID fo ankwankwache no na unpick the next MPP government no yen entertaining political police and there's a fact yen entertaining political judges say won kwa court yo asem way Abronye. This is what makes them go after Abronye. Ti asem ni ye abusha like video na shema me na yenko ye me ma me Monica me chama me afrempo me chiao Jeru kwaku apia me chemi nye kwasi Asamoah me chiao Frank Afo me chiao me chia minya Kofi apia mi anka se minya ba Esther K Barima Mami papa bi nana akua afro me chiao ye pa mo akaba mami amanya akom chiao ena minya ba Vivian Kuma me chia mu nyina ema mu nyina akwa asema Abronye be hyase aka no aye the reason why these guys are foolishly going after Abronye. Tie kwa court ena da bia no yeso obi adi obi atam won kwa court ni yayi wa denta ho say wo no dis ansem no we will not entertain some political judges no because ye hu omo we are entertaining political police for no e wo krom ha we are political judge eno ntina da bia no ye nya case ya ye de kwa denta ho judge na wa denta circuit court one or ye political judge mon calculate cases here nan say adenta ho police for ye ya no mo de kwa denta circuit court negotiating ben na Ghana police service any adenta circuit court no or ye political judge judge na wo adenta no ye political judge oni abana ye negotiation a intimidation court and or my establishing e wo adenta ho intimidation court enya court wa
It deliver justice. And your court where you fair because Ghana Police Service and the judge, you know, our negotiation. And in Tina case be a dental second court or your political judge. One more muscles on the catch no media count me out.
Yes, in the same way, and Abronye Kaya, and I'm a Nusuntino, and another day I'm an Oka say, Abronye, the honor mu anyway. Look at this. Look at some Abronye Kaya in a new. Look at what they are doing to Abronye to just watch this. Please. Go back. This way. Okay. Go back.
Oh, it's about the Abronye issue. Last time, only Baba Amandu Sunyani was communication officer. Only Baba Amandu the ultimate backcourt. Abronye anti-member. No home fan. So he's traveling small. So you buy another police for inviting or calling to Amutishen. Never court nana judge remanding for 2 weeks for on-call remand for police custody 2 weeks. So the ACR.
The MPP for Mones moving missing.
Or we'll go to high court. We'll go and appeal that decision. Send the Baba Mando thereby high court. We'll go and fight the case. So higher jurisdiction.
This is arrest here costly. Mabo Juana.
Debbie. MPP is stronger than what you are seeing today. Even Rawlings or the revolution NDC stands strong. And no government or no group of people can bring MPP down. MPP will have foundation. Even revolution, when they are murdering people, killing people, NDC is strong and fight up to date. So MPP is not a party you can just cowl us, arrest, intimidation. That will let us be shut our mouth. Debbie. MPP have a foundation, rule of law, and we believe, say, wherever it is, we'll come after it. We have foundation, and nobody can arrest our members or our guys for the country that can make NDC remain power forever. MPP, the elephant. When you go check all animals, the animals who don't forget what we did for him is elephant. Osono, orno, neye abwa, ne yiren fear they are man. So the NDC shouldn't forget they are dealing with elephant. Elephant is a strong, and we have foundation. Even the revolution will survive, not a democracy government.
Yes, exactly. That is what the NDC must to put in their brain. Say, if the MPP was able to survive under Rawlings, what them community rule, how can the MPP survive under this John Mahama rubbish governance under democracy? Nobody can intimidate us. Nobody can intimidate us. They should rather look into their homes and check and balance them, because January 7th, 2029, we are going to line up NDC leaders in a court, and many of them will go to jail by rule of law, not by this ambush manner of governance. And they know, they are aware of that. How many people were jailed by J. Kufuor, NDC people? How many of them were jailed? Akufo-Addo came in and jailed many of them, not just because of talking, because of fraudulent actions and corrupt deals. We are going to deal with them too, and our dealing with them will be so concrete that you cannot have a way even to escape from it. Now the way a boost of power, Abronye will come out. more MPP communicators will start talking more. More social media communicators, we are going to do more than what you people think. Because you won't say a poha a moya. You can't say it goes into your dompeno emu ya moya. Say a hun is answer then a bohopa. We will let you people breathe in. Say the eka. Oh, so yakra. Na oyonko fonkra esha say omu di wani omu di so fair. Na oye wadwere say you want to pray victim, and now there you become a victim of all time. That is what the NDC is facing now. Today, as I'm talking to you, everyone on the social media, we have all started bashing and even their own people. Their own people, because the government is alone. The government is suffering. The NDC ministers are not listening to the government anymore. The party is not in line with the NDC, with the administration. That is what the NDC must to focus on, and to stop going after the MPP communicators and MPP social media communicators. Because no matter what you do, January 7th, 2029, Bawumia will be sworn in as the president of the Republic of Ghana, and Mahama will be out of the scene that time. Keep on and doing your things. You can't kill nobody. And I'm on phantom team. You can never kill no one. And Muntumin kaya kasabua enshe ye numuda emani ye. It cannot happen. You can arrest all of us 70, 80, 90 billion times. That will not change our point of view. Say, Don Dariga Dramani Mahama does not have the competence. He's an incompetent leader. He cannot even control his own ministers. System ministers. John Mahama cannot control them. They are all fooling around. Even only 60 ministers. John Dariga cannot even control them. How can you control 35 million people? They always remain there and they will never and never talk about it, about what you're doing. But the rest of us, the 29 million people plus Ayakano, do you think you can command us with arrest, with intimidation, with political witch hunting? You cannot. Some of us are going to trigger in what they call international political analysis on our platforms to demonstrate. To say, as soon as you see a president or go after his opponent with a political power, no, it actually tells you, say, the president is not delivering, because they will deliver. You don't have time to go after people. When you're on your toes, doing what you promised to the people, when you are busily thinking about the well-being of the people, you will not be on social media monitoring what people are saying on social media. That is what Nanado was doing. He has no chance of going on Kwasiampanyi Kevin Ted and the programs so could tell the Obeka. But because this government is useless and they are not providing anything for the good being of the people, you know, they have time to go around to understand whom they can keep his mouth shut. Yenim say asofo for ni the influential people mo my num no. Ya to wona wi atua won ka mo musika mo anum aye ma say they will never talk. Any day yenim pa. But the NDC knows say there are some other people you cannot buy them with money. So what they will do is to operate serious and effective abuse of power on them to make sure, say, they shut them down. But it would not happen. It will not happen. We will make you regret. It will make you regret for taking this decision to go after the communicators of the opposition party. You will regret it because now it's time that we are going to bash you. Kwanya mo fa so mo bash Akufo-Addo ne yere ne ma ene ne MPs ne ministers ene na asefo no. We are going to give you the same way. You say abana ye di bought no eno a ene ye di be bopa. So whom are you? Do you think you are bigger than Akufo-Addo that we cannot talk about you? Who are you? Akufo-Addo kura ye wo no to silver prata so kura no. Some of you stupid and idiot like you guys were able to insult Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. How much more we cannot talk about you guys? Say obise o court hona kwe say many times people who comment on social media are directed to your court and you always give them punishment. So why is that happening? You take that opportunity to arrest someone. The person falls sick. He flew outside the country to have a better treatment. He came back to you to say, I'm back. I'm well today. I was because you were not here. Who born dog? Is that democracy that we are practicing? Who told you that if you are sick in prison, you should remain there? Yacho kradwa kotu prison no. Oyaria yamawa kwenyama upi edoko hospital wakosa ohwa there. No much more say oyonna prison. Na oyare na wo tu ekwa amano ne se okosa ohwa there. Now there monkoso na munye de moye. Monkoso na munye de moye no. Na Nana Addo can same way time ago the same way. Nana Addo was about to cry because of how foolishly John Dariga Dramani Mahama described Nana Addo and his family. Listen to what Nana Addo said here.
The comment made by my opponent, Adjei Sakawa people, I've not heard any public figure in this country, independent, yourselves or anybody, comment on it. It's completely unacceptable. If I was to get up to make a comment about Northerners or Gunchas, you can imagine the uproar that would be in the country. Presidential candidate, a former president of Ghana, you can call a group of Ghanaians Sakawa people, and it involves the group for which the sitting president comes, and that comment goes without, that statement goes without comment. And at the same time, we hear these statements. Let's all try and bring the politics of insults to an end, etc., etc. Occasions are given where specific comments can be made. Nothing happens. And then it's lost. It's lost in the generalities. I get the impression that because of the unfortunate, in some ways, authoritarian origins of our state in its area, where it was considered dangerous to criticize government. The pendulum has now swung the other way, where government is the only group you can criticize. If you criticize government, no matter what you say, it's legitimate. If government was to respond, that's somehow illegitimate. Media freedom is interpreted as meaning the freedom to criticize others, but you can't criticize the press. If, for instance, they step out of bounds or they conduct themselves in an irresponsible manner. So all of this, I'm trying to say that it's a package that we all have to look at dispassionately.
Yes. He was telling you how John Mahama, a former president, that time a potential president of the republic, was out there telling the whole tribe, say, Omuye Sakawafo. Abronye Arrested Rwanda. Such a silly comment caused a death, the massacre of about 1.5 million people to death. Now, a former president, a presidential candidate then can come out and make such a reckless statement. And he went square free without any punishment. That's the same person today in power is going after people who are making comments least in front of what he said when he was in opposition. That should tell you that is actually what we call a disgraceful leader and disgraceful president who don't have nothing to think about. But what he has is to go after his political opponent. I was here, Ras Media GH on YouTube, Facebook, and on TikTok. Follow me on Facebook. Message follow me. So I won't subscribe to my channel on YouTube. So no abomodre na wa subscribe. Follow me on TikTok. So remachia kwa Ras Media GH. Na follow me on TikTok also. Like a video way na share ema wa dofo so enya bi enwe. Now let's go back to a new topic. Abusia and this partner that on a jadam. A jadam. I'm going to use the same words of Adjei Ketia. Adjei Ketia says 7 criminals want to lead the party of MPP in 2008. Adjei Ketia said, Akromfon son episode mumra medi MPP anim in 2008 before the primaries of the MPP. And then men sumi jina haka edemin says him say akromfo nsia episode munia kohifo party anim. Akromfo nsia na money hwan Adjei Ketia Ato Forsen Julius Debra who else my many friend is saying the vice president, the ghost vice president. There must be somebody else. There must be another 2 people that I don't remember their name. Sa akromfo nsia we person munko di akohwifo party nanim. Eno eden tokwa kese aba NDC party ma ene Adjei ene sabio akwana ye frene Mustapha Gbande no entokwa ekoso ewo montamu pa. Now let's listen to this video and we come back to studio. Yeah, let's listen.
Party and government must regroup at a certain level and say that, okay, let's assess where we have come from. Our party people are complaining. What can we do to help? Mustapha Gbande ebetimi, General Secretary Gbande ebetimi aye, National Organizer Gbande ebetimi aye. Because you see, you can't be experienced than the ones who are managing the grounds. You can't. And if they want, we can leave it for them to try and let's see. You can't. What the party people go through, you can't.
It's not easy.
If you go to somebody's constituency and you think he is a village constituency chairman, so you use your Land Cruiser to disrespect him, you don't know what he deals with. So we need to come to a point where we respect ourselves, we show each other recognition, and then we come together again to say, let us help President Mahama to succeed. Look, Captain, I've said every time, for those who think, say, oh, maybe President Mahama will not contest again. Me, I'm one ardent person who believes that President Mahama should give us the opportunity and make himself available to run again as president. I'm one person who believes that. And I don't apologize to anybody for that. That's my opinion. Because you see, our parties at a place where we need a synergy. We need a united front. We are not going for an election. We are continuing a government. And when you get to that place, the indices are very different. If anybody tells you that my personal ambition, I'm a champion in this area, I can become a successor, you can't. You can't. NDC is not SRC election. It's a serious business. If President Mahama is not going to go, if you are an appointee, you must know that it is a duty of President Mahama to keep the government and the party both peaceful. When the government is peaceful and the party is not peaceful, it will upset itself. We'll come to ground zero. And Captain, those who are listening to me, if you think I'm wrong, you can have that conversation with me. I have gone round our big men, senior, and I'm not getting a good result. And I watched the president walk out there and I sit down and I ask myself, what is going on?
Mustapha, who's on call for my president?
I know. I'm going to say it. Now I'm saying it now.
Ladies and gentlemen,
the president is suffering.
if the fundamental...
No, but other than a party for no, one friend appointees in no one say, hey, Mama President in Britain.
He had to take the general secretary sometimes to take the approach of summoning ministers to FEC before they come. Some ministers don't attend party meeting at all. Hey. Now they have arrived. Oh, Madam Kachero, I'm Miss Roby. There's nobody that I'm
ministers, no. What from for party meetings?
Look, recently I had to call one minister to ask him, you sent so and so to the party. He said yes. I said, did you inform the general secretary? I asked him, did you inform the general secretary? Are you the manager of the party? Are you the one managing the party?
Hey,
you don't manage the party. The party has executives who manage the party. If you don't respect them, you create crisis. Because when you touch me, I will touch you. I will not assume that you have touched me and misbehaved with me, so I'm going to be sitting down and crying. I will deal with you squarely. If you want it raw, we can go raw. The only thing you can do is that there are opportunities in your area you won't give me, take. Because I know where to get you. The party about power. We move around with other people to win this election. And so you cannot disadvantage the party, deliberately impoverish the party because you have found new friends. No, you can't do that. President is suffering. President effort to know all is not being seen. I don't know how he feels certain times when certain reports gets to him. But it's wrong. And we must talk about it. Because if we don't deal with it, we are in trouble.
It's a shame.
And that is not what we agreed within ourselves.
But now we'll say President Mahama Kobi. At least I have the same opinion. But the party for be president deal.
But that is the problem.
Hey.
President Mahama got you so be.
It's a shit.
See a war in Etiase. Now and Crofua started swim Bezomudinich. I mean, it's excuse my language, the highest form of disorder.
A highest form of disorder.
And me, I will not support anybody because myself and my brother, the national organizer, we've decided that who win the primaries, who will make you the president. We don't care. Whoever wins the primaries.
It is important that you understand what is happening in the party. Sa party is disorganized. We have always been saying and saying and saying and saying again, say, the party called NDC is a machinery well organized in propagating for power. When it comes to governance, or they have no clue about it. Just 1.5 years, yenyen 1.5 mpo. To me, fro won. Yenyen 1.5 years. To me, no amene NDC for. NDC informing what to do. They are confused. And what they are thinking, they say, going after the MPP supporters would destabilize the MPP so that they can win. But so people are suffering. The people who went around to campaign for the NDC, they are now crying. They have no food to eat. Some have no job. I quite remember, say, when we were in the campaign period, what the NDC used to say, and they say, people cannot have 3 square meals a day to eat. And then maybe send this for say, only their support base. And Crofona almost sacrifice or more. A year Jumaden de ma party man bar power no. Are they having that 3 square meals to a day in their life? No, they are not having it. Why? Because John Darigat Ramani Mahama is busy sharing money and power with few people and donating national properties to his brother. That is his main thing that he's doing. Timyepa, menkese Ghana for you know. Just the microphone muye jumadema and this, you know. That 3 square meal that they were talking about, you know. These guys are not having it. And it's a problem. It's a serious problem in the party because the grassroots of the NDC are crying. And the among for NDC for they are pretending not to be NDC members anymore. Now you see NDC for dream. There are no people that the ministers are not in line with the party and they don't care about the ordinary woman and the men, the youth. And the microphone, ya to mo gum. NDC kuyafu esu. NDC nurses yesu. NDC teachers yesu. The ordinary Ghanaian yedi to ni team sese ote komo a MPP abana ma komo de no. Ene komo no emu ekosoro kese. Because once Akufo-Addo was telling the youth and the people in the country, say, "Mumpe adie nsua, mumpe nsano juma bi nsua, munko school na munyenim die na mumeye owners and bosses of your own." No, those fools, these guys were out there telling Ghanaians, say, "There be the president Papa Ba, you have to find a job and live a better life." Me abadima, Richard, me mama Esther Badima, and Nana Akuya Afro. Maybe some say ne ekosi say. What has happened? Has it changed? The unemployment percentage wo manum no. Akosro na sa akofo. Can't you say akosro? Akosro ye yi nipa bebre adi. Ye yi nipa bebre adi. Na unim there ya. While these things are going on, no works. People are not finding job to do. No, the government of the NDC keeps on borrowing a lot of money. Watch this. You see, oh, the asempa nabo, 24-hour economy. Mahama is the hope. He is the hope. He is the hope for Mother African. Bahama Adjei is the hope. He is the hope. He is the hope for everyone now. And then Mahama Dani Amana. Look, listen to what this guy is saying. Akwa was also a president here. Government borrows 120 million from Treasury bill in the first 4 months of 2026. Yedasumu. Me say yedasumu. These guys are borrowing as if there is no tomorrow. The problems in the society is becoming more and more. They are sharing among the top hierarchy of their party. And then at 120 billion Ghana cedis just in 4 months. Afei, and I shall say 2026. That be American. Me see before 2028, answer akunyano ebeshe yewura. Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia answer no. Na enkrofo ya say your mind biem. Omuko ntokwa ekoso wo party no. You just listen to this. Listen to this.
Party and government must regroup at a certain level and say that, okay, let's assess where we have come from. Our party people are complaining. What can we do to help? Mustapha Gbande, General Secretary. Again, is the party up for election? Who told all these things that NDC is going to go through election?
me say, one of the biggest decisions that the MPP has made since its existence, and the decision to have the presidential election area. Ye nearby muya presidential election awie, ntokwa ebesiasia awie, ene ya hyase ayetoto ye niema, we are paying back. Enkrofo we ya fe na jana tom. Jano fe na tom. They are dying with their own hands. Listen to this stupid guy, what he said. He said, who told these tens that the NDC is going for a competitive, what them call presidential, what them call candidates, candidature elections? Or saying, you see how he's insulting the big man? Akwa weyedi ato force na tem, Asidum Katia tem, Julius Debra wadina tem, the vice president wadina tem. Or see, who told these things that we are going for an internal election? Yakachab said the NDC is an autocratic party. Omuye detectors. They don't believe in democracy. This foolish guy is telling you, say, they are not ready to go in for any internal election. What Jiminti, he's telling you, say, he don't want even anybody to come and keep and to lead the party. He wants John Mahama to keep on. He don't know, say, what he's saying is even against the constitution of the country. These are confused human beings. Listen to the video carefully.
And again, is the party up for election? Who told all these things that NDC is going to go through election? I don't know, but I'm just saying that what if we don't open the party up for election?
It's a shame.
Because the NDC, we don't know elections. The NDC is a tradition that is founded on consensus building. We are not MPP, and we must not allow what the MPP is doing to go into our head.
Bang, bang, bang.
Nia is creating suspicion among us. Unam kra na so we we nipa. Unam hwa na si una ubu awe. Me obi di bank obi di sade ne ba me so antokwa abesu nya.
Bang, bang, bang.
Obi di sade ne ba so.
Because I will not allow anybody to align me to short visions. Now there are two clear things that we are doing. We have to satisfy the party people, and we have to make sure the president succeeds. Look, it doesn't matter all these people. Anybody who becomes a leader of the party without President Mahama, you lose.
Ajita, enkrofone so mwa so now they are started fighting among themselves. So what in ye pa? The pressure, the distraction, the division, the serious anger, and the serious hunger among the NDC leaders is something bigger than what you think. The party is broke. Me I say Anthony Mwakwa papa. Ema me Vivian Kuma also me chia ye pa bi. Anna Richard so me chia. Party na bubu. The principle, the base of the party has gone. It's no more there. So now what do they want to do? They want to use the power that they have to destabilize the party called MPP so that they can win easily. But it will not work. We will not let it work. Hey, say that me come America for brofo. Pepe womanum. It will not work. It will not work because as same way this guy is in what they call. He is, can I say, an official of the party, and when he says something, he actually knows what he's talking about. And talk at them. Now listen to another video of this guy. Listen.
Before, when we felt Rawlings was not necessary, we lost. And those who triggered that, they sit behind and they are pretending they are head, but they are not head. You were the cause. Whether President Mahama is alive or he is not alive today, he contributes significantly to the beauty of this party.
Exactly.
And he, among others,
I mean, I don't care. You can't take it away from Mahama.
Should be the ones to take certain key decisions. So if I'm a president, deputy director of operation, and I decide that I want to be president, what am I doing to the president? I make the president beautiful.
If you repeat the question,
if I'm the president's deputy director of operations, and I decide that where I sit, I'm capable of being a president, what am I doing to the president? Okay? What am I doing to the president? Because have I discharged the work that the president gave me so well that, and nobody have been, look at President Mahama. President Mahama didn't make himself a president. People went to look for him, right? Go and ask Speaker Gbande how President Mahama became a...
Akwa person country Ghana for you said the NDC is not a democratic party. A matrilineal what they call inheritance. Matrilineal inheritance. Enti NPP for na democratic I ko to abama amanfo to abachire wona dwen. NDC aban mu de. Ye kawa no tum. The video no you na listen to the mindset of the NDC party. The video no ye pa. I was like a video na share my comment na subscribe to my channel for me.
Running mate to Professor Mills. Go and ask President Mahama and others how Professor Jenana Opoku-Agyeman became a vice president. Go and ask how we chose the late Parkwesi Amisa. And that should tell you that the tradition of the NDC is not a competitive asset for elections and all this. Obianko should build a war chest to go and run an election. You will fail because that is not our tradition.
What is your name?
Captain Edusu Abeko. Edusu Abeko. Look, there are times that we consider regional balances before we choose a flag bearer. There are times that we consider a lot of many things. It is not within our jurisdiction or our domain to do that. It is within the Council of Elders. And you know what? All these Council of Elders have decided to keep quiet and watch.
No, but because I think it's a huge problem.
To watch. So there's so much fatigue and stress sitting on us. Because and I will sacrifice to talk about it. If they destroy me, at least the truth. This program will show that a day like this, I sat here and I spoke the truth.
Sorry, you.
And it's not as if anybody can do anything. Nobody means will be our party. I will just say the truth. The only thing you will do is that you won't give me an opportunity.
Tell your chairman, call them, tell the chief of staff.
We have told the general secretary last week. So we need to take certain strong. You see, general secretary started no mudinatem. Our own people set up people to insult him.
Who?
Our own party people, appointees.
To insult who?
General secretary, no guy.
Oh,
no guy. You see, we have individual challenges. No biya na your bay no pet. You ask yourself.
So yeah.
And everybody sitting there have their own weakness. Me, I have my own weakness.
God have mercy upon
you. So if we don't allow people to function, can the general secretary who led you to this difficult election, can he suddenly be a bad person?
Sure.
Me, I have my differences with my boss. Okay? He doesn't agree with many things that I do. But I do them anyway. Because I give him all the respect that I have to give him.
No, but if this is what is happening now, that ministers are not respecting party leadership, then it's a dangerous thing.
It is, because that's why we need to talk about it now. Because I'm sitting here and talking about it because if I don't talk about it, and
the law,
I am not a victim. I'm a part of the problem.
Sure.
But it is not for me to deal with the problem. It is for the national chairman. It is for the general secretary. It is for other senior functionaries within government to help the president resolve it. And we must talk about it.
You think the president is worried about this?
President Mahama, you can't know what he thinks. That's his strength. I mean, I keep telling you that you will not know how he feels, but he will give you the assurance that I don't want to hurt you. If you exploit such leniency, then it's not right. It's all right. It is not also about who is doing wrong and who is doing right. It's about all of us saying that, but we are yedu no. Him fan yedu. And crofo I no more koye no. Obi e be fie. And I be more kachiri. What I say? It is for us to ask and so yedu no. Is it right for us to do the things we are doing? When you build war chests, who are you going to fight? Captain, what do you want to war chest for what? Unzoe. Sebi kafache. I mean, what is it? What is it? What is it in all of these that we do to one another? Where people are suspecting we appointees, some of them are complaining that some people are using their advantages to sabotage them and so free. In the end, it is the ordinary party person that is suffering. The young
Tatata Ajita Yatuwase Omu. They cannot talk much, but they know that there are things going on. What is Oka? Osin Crofono Mukoye Dedema or Mahama is the whole. They are suffering underground because the NDC leaders are fighting over power. Why who to succeed Mahama? Hey, Ghana for my Muhubio. You have voted for a black and white to replace your colored TV, and that is what the NDC is going on today. And the Ghanaians are the people suffering, not the NDC youth alone. Anybody say does doom so because John Jinapo is seriously thinking about how he can support Julius Debra to become the president. He don't care about your light. There goes woman and no. Young
man who I have used. Come and see how I was instructing parliamentary candidates and constituency executives do this. People wanted to misbehave because they were not too sure whether when we win, they will be recognized. We stopped all of them to follow one queue. You win, yeah. Where you are, mama? You are ready. And everybody that gets an opportunity is looking for some friendship or some convenience. I keep saying that you may not like me. President Mahama may not like me. My boss may not like me. It is not for him to like me.
Bang, bang, bang.
It's for him to, take advantage of what I can do and what I cannot do. But when you deal with party people on the basis of, I don't like this one, this one is supporting this, this one is this, the 2016...
This one is supporting this one is supporting wine.
Me, what was that?
Can't somebody be a nina car? Who do to send me a course?
And yet, young cars now are bonting.
But what's the way support you?
You drew fear. Who say, I'm just telling you, let the party people know, sir, we are familiar with their problems.
And the law.
And we are finding ways to resolve it. It's a legitimate concern. And that each of their complaints is not founded on ill motive or malice. Whatever they are talking about is our responsibility as leadership to deal with it. And I'm speaking because I want them to know that we are very much aware of the problem. Sure. MPP is not our yardstick. When we come together to deal with the MPP, sure, they will be registering a new political party.
But that is not my concern.
But if we don't do things right, and if we don't bring our party people along, and I keep saying that managing a party is a matter of recognition and mutual respect. Captain, are you branch executive officer? That branch executive can do something that can affect the entire organization. So that regional chairman that you feel is not educated, so he doesn't befit your respect, that regional chairman can do something that will undermine this party. One pooling agent compromise is a danger to the end. Is for me. One pooling agent.
Yeah, more 100%.
And we have a duty. I don't need the president to be involved in this. We have structures that can resolve this. And if we don't resolve it, it will get to a time where we'll begin to speak out. I would speak out because I will not let myself, my credibility be ruined because of somebody's refusal to do the right thing. Sure. And anybody who feel that we're not part of making this system to own up and I will exit, go and do it. Say so I am here.
Party no agu. Party no atitia pro. Party na say nyantoba say Eric. Hey, yeah, listen to hey. I want you to listen to their own evil deeds. The Omoanka second, I don't want to add anything to it. And make your decision on it. Grass in here go. Niamane woman in here go. Now listen to this. Wow.
Supposed to call Musa Dankwa and to tell him that we respect the work he does. But I do not think that as a Deputy General Secretary, he's doing a good to the NDC. Whatever the motivation is, that motivation is not helping the NDC. Because consistently,
Musa Dankwa consistently, oh yeah, Jumadema NDC, and the confusion now bar to the point to say they are even going after him. But video we made the Chokuba, we will talk about it later. Listen to this video rather.
I checked. The national chairman was saying that he's doing his tour, his thank you tour.
You agree with that?
My opinion has always been that we could have done it together. But the national chairman is doing it because everybody is busy doing something else. That is what he's doing. But I'm saying that irrespective of that, as stakeholders, since we won election, the relationship between the party and government haven't been the best. It is not about jobs. It's not about who gives who job. It's not about who didn't give who job. I'm saying the relationship between the party and the government to ensure that we succeed together have not been the best.
When you say yes, and the problems and these MPPs, FAC, yeah, after 8 years of governance, you know, and Krofowi in 1.5 years, they are on that problem. It tells you how unorganized these guys are.
The party, are you referring to the party at the base or party at Adabraka versus
the
Jubilee
party,
House?
No, there's no Adabraka and Jubilee House.
What I mean is that the head office of the National Executive.
I am the elected head of the party's administration in terms of deputy. I'm the Deputy General Secretary. It means that all NDC people trusted that we can manage their affairs. And the arrowhead is the president who is the leader. The second in command is the national chairman. So in most cases, the national chairman is de facto. If the president is not around, we have situations where it switches. The president is the leader of the party. He is also the leader of government. And I'm saying that our relationship as a party and as government have not been the best. It may not have been deliberate because when we came, there was too much pressure, everybody running here and there. We are doing well. Everybody is praising us for stabilizing the economy, stabilizing this, stabilizing that. But the danger is that we are leaving our party behind. And I'm concerned, as the officer in charge of operation, I am concerned that we have to go back into conclave to assess what we have done so far, what we have not done, so that we correct same and move on. The stakeholdership of the party is so huge. Look, every election cycle, there are people who go home. So we have former national executives, former constituency executives, former regional executives, who are part of the stakeholders of this party. Anytime we win election, a number of people go home. We have former appointees, i.e. former ministers, former MPs, former DCs, who are stakeholders of this party. They are also sitting on the fence. We have current executive structure from the branch to national. We have ministers, we have CEOs. Even though we have ministers, we have CEOs, we have board members who are also stakeholders of this party. There's a need for us to go back into conclave and to sit and assess ourselves. We have elders of the party. We need to run ourselves back to them because the elders of the party have decided to keep quiet. And that is dangerous for any government and any party.
Does it mean your center is refusing to hold?
It is not refusing to hold. These are normal challenges that any government, any party can go through. I'm just prompting that if we are refusing, you know, when people are quiet, that's when there's a danger. And people silence, they say it's what? It's good. It's golden.
They say it's
but
golden.
silence is the medium through which people perpetrate mischief.
Let me
want to bring everybody back, take responsibility, sit as a party, sit as a government. Let's look at how to move the machineries concurrently and make sure we succeed together.
Yes, enti papa no timu say party na say atete apro. Or see so more stabilize the economy, but people still cannot afford food to eat. I don't know if stabilization of economy is different from the well-being of the people. Me, I know say Ghanaians are suffering, so I don't understand. I don't see how they have stabilized this economy. And what I know, they say, yes, it say, at the end of the say, a pra a shasi free na pampum. So if the NDC as a party is rotten, how can they do something good to make Ghana become a better place again? We are lost. We are lost, and we have gone lost for voting for the NDC to come back in power. We must the vibration and a Charlotte or say, I was with Mwakwaba yepa. Now, as some way papa we nama okika imuno. And now, NDC neighbor akuso a friend Adjei so Abronye said that they'll say the guy should shut up. Hey, bra, would you tell the Adjei so a kind? The fight is serious. Listen.
I think I saw a video. Okay. I'm not paying. Yeah. From Mustapha Gbande. Yeah. Yes, Mustapha Gbande, Deputy General Secretary, I think, for the NDC. Yeah. Now he was making the point, say, or not as a party officer, no. Who is a more appointees ni mubi no as a monomunya position we no mo yi party na sawramo ave mu fi party for ni bio and position by now you are some of you are making new friends outside party for na was a mo shop no legitimate concern from a national officer meboa
the concern no me ni mangla no free but I saw the video man was be press and them am say but I saw your appointee
Mustapha. Oh, so only the any appointee.
No, yeah, one of the man.
Oh, a deputy director operations. Jubilee House. Jubilee House.
Yeah, multimedia.
No.
It is all your appointee.
Sure.
Or falling under presidential staffers.
Yes.
Some
presidential staffers. Sure.
Into meaning in so be appointee. Into appointees by some no can. Category, but you see, me hypocrite. Yeah. Why appointee? If appointees be moon treaty when you account be. Yenyas are Casano. When him the Nipa form. Do you know what we are doing to some of the party supporters? No, omunim yenin for relationship. If you come out, don't be talking as a saint, like a saint. Me, I hate it when people speak that way. That is my position as a party. I'm also a party officer at the region. Yeah. He's also a party officer at the national level. Yamaye nyina akwenya se yensom. Meboa. Nti etoda me mo bi nkasa te say the ono no we more holier than no. Next hand the build the political party. No na ye nuamu ye bi o mabre no. Still they are suffering opposition. See about committee composition. Nti Mustapha, you are my senior, I respect you. Don't incite the party faithful, the party faithful against the government appointees. Yan your shadow donor. But your papa no more former, we won't come and sit here and talk about it. My boss, Sammy Jenfi. Unim do my party for. Meme tia. Yeah. Unim de me. And I'm a Malik, new roots. Minia Director General
National Service. Malaysia, why?
William do be my party for. And don't be talking in a way a bit me inside party for. And say, as our appointees and actually only a free party. No, we are still holding a very FM.
Now, some way you man some national executives anywhere.
At the end, yeah.
Mumu munya
Now, me budget allocation, no finance ministry at the moment.
Sure.
Inti me work plan and I medeko. In ministry, near the account, and I work plan guys. I'm Mustapha Gbande. He's my party top officer. But me politics na me nyanya atwemo. Say, unim se Malik na ya ade na nya friend kukuo mo ne nkasa. Unim se Sammy Jenfi na ya ade na nya friend kukuo no ne nkasa. Ba sa obegina abonte akasa se wo na the best among us. Me dem time so make am ansem. So we are doing our best.
Okay.
Although say obiye nyanya de ope, but we are trying our best to manage it. Into yes, no. A thought that political communication don't be too emotional. And a thought that say, oh, count party more be measured. On say no be na yenu ye na no ada mo wi a yenya healing process from the committee no. So we are coming there. What am I saying?
Okay.
So we should be measured how they cancel. We are in government now. The government is for the people of Ghana. NDC as a political party belongs to the party. Yeah, registered members. Yeah, they political party. So you blend it. I was saying when you looking more nationalistic.
Yeah.
So as a government official, we inside the party for the tier appointees, ministers, and CEOs. Now what will you gain? Huh? And I make on to myself.
Yeah, I guess.
So you expect me say, Obi a me buano many piano hospital, but me betini kusi say anam yeho announcement. Is that what he's expecting from me? Me other colleagues appointees no, the omoye no, Obi amra bonte no meka say de me ye mango. No, me sa na run aban. So you best Mustapha.
Okay.
He's a senior party member. Me share video no man your fool na share. But the way no kasa no me de mani anyo. Me nim say sa na me colleagues appointees ni so wo mani nye den. Enye wono so ya appointee. Ye ni nyina. Enti party for na mutie me no. Eye yi a ye ni Mustapha Gbande na ye ni yi anye yi oka ho bi.
Aya asem agita. Agita abusia party na bubu omu bre, they are suffering. Management of power and management of money is the most difficult thing in the world. One say nkrofo we yo ya mo kwan say power no to me na afro. This is just the beginning of a huge storm on the NDC. Yenya shase nya entwaba internally. Look at what is happening. That is why I'm always calling the MPP to keep their toes on and maintain consistency. That 2028, the NDC will lose power with over 2 million votes difference. And believe me, it is going to happen. Because the NDC, say, they have neglected their people, the support base. Think about the form for last people, what they will tell you. And in TSM cultural mudia, people have no interest in going to register their name. Yanto asuna yanko ya name. And then say so the assembly kwa bani say Musa Dankwa. Why so de na adwene ABT Ghana for NDC for sorry etiane so because what shall say kasafa MDC ho NDC for mpe. Almost the way offer so a projected the NDC internal election no a create confusion. And they say, "Omo etene so." Moment a video we say when be phone lines na to suit me for na watch the wadwe.
Wants to call Musa Dankwa and to tell him that we respect the work he does, but I do not think that as a deputy general secretary he is doing a good to the NDC. Whatever the motivation is, that motivation is not helping the NDC because consistently he has pulled and suggest candidates that are winning and is becoming a distraction. Is it
because your preferred candidate is not leading, so you are angry?
Let me tell you. And me as a deputy general secretary in charge of operation, I am prepared to move with the next leader of the party and win a national election. That is what we are for. We are for winning national elections. We are like dozers. When we finish doing the work, they pack us. When it's time for election, we are lubricated and we are put back to the road. We go and do our work. And we are willing to do that. I don't have a candidate, but I'm just saying that we are dealing with stakeholders, okay? Individuals who are managing a common vision. Musa Dankwa's pulling is bringing suspicion and division within our party and our government.
You enjoyed his work when you were in opposition.
I have always respected his work, but I'm saying that the rate at which he pulls candidates within our party, and I'm saying that all of that will not have a place in the selection of our flag bearer. Take it from
Stop
me.
your party members from speaking to him because he only reports what your party members are saying. So if your party members are
I have sent a notice around that no party member should grant any research interview to anybody.
Including Musa Dankwa.
No,
you want to cripple his business.
No, not his business. I'm saying that if we want to do a poll within our party, we'll do it. But I've sent a notice to the party people that we have not sanctioned any polling. Whoever is doing that is the one dividing the party.
So if they defy that and grant the interviews and he uses that for his research work, what would you do to these
They
people?
can do that, but trust me, the polling will not determine who becomes the next flag bearer.
But how? It's scientific. Polling is a scientific
NDC
exercise.
is not. NDC primaries are for NDC people.
It's not scientific?
We must elect a leader and we must follow that leader and we must brand that leader. Nobody has been himself.
Enti so nkrofo we. Omo ye use and throw away. Ye use the penny we are. Now we don't care about you anymore. And omone Musa Dankwa enanya. You say, is it normal? It is not normal. For how long Musa Dankwa manipulated the minds of the people, directing the victory of the NDC into the heads of the people through his so-called polls, Omunya to me we and they say Musa Dankwa should get out of their way. Already, Yamunamando. I was a beautiful last night to mutimi fre. Na watch the wadring. Kama. Na ye koya ni. Mamin fan chiakese Emma at the 4. Minya must stay vibration says stop talking and go to the grounds. You will see either you guys stabilize the economy or not. See, you guys stabilize what? Because Mustapha means so must stabilize the economy. Minya must stay vibration say enye no kure dada. Sanso na yimi aba Charlotte Oduro so say good evening Mr. Ras. And Emma Vivian Kuma so osresa. I keep on telling you the NDC, most of them are foreigners, so they don't care about the country. I was for phone lines in them. Me train kakra na say obi am fra things I will bring the show to an end. Sanso na mimi Frank Afon so say obia say MPP 2028. Richard say NDC know they are ruling Ghana. How they are ruling Ghana is terrible. So they want to silence everybody who talks about it. No, I mean, Monica can say, hello, good evening, my brother. What is happening again for the chairman? Sansuna, Yamame Yafrim Pomaso say, good evening, oh, bra. Jerry will be a say hi, Ras and everyone. Mimi Kwesiasa say, brother man, for they can't do anything to Chama wound to me. Frank Afonso say, good evening, Mr. Manfo. And then we have Samuel. Give me a question, ask someone who is watching with us on Facebook. Message subscribe to my channel now, and you can subscribe to my channel. Now be a part of this strong family for Dr. Bawumia 2028 victory. Yen kind comment way from Bafri Kofi appear. I don't know why some NDC people are supporting this nonsense from Mahama. Have they thought of their fate? When Mahama leaves the office, the Adenta political judge will definitely not retire as a judge. He will go home. He will go home. Mr. Kebadima said, Mr. Mafu, good evening, my bro. Yanka Samimi Aba, Nana Akuya for say blessing and good afternoon. Blessing to you more. And I'm Amada Nyakonso. So what kind of nonsense is this NDC? And I mean about Vivian Kumaso say good evening, brother. I was I think say nobody is calling in. So I think say I will put everything to an end here. And tomorrow shall be another day where we're going to meet to make another beautiful show. Medincha and then I say Emma Munina. Se munya kwenya, munya bre, muji akonya tenase, se moneme, ebedi jumadi ene, fefe so, amaya yenso, amana yeden. Aye fefe. Ochina said the tie be nyankopɔ ya adom na ahoɔdene ɛwɔ hɔ na bibia ɛkɔyia. Yɛbɛsɛ hyia ha na yɛnum nyinaa asan ayɛ another beautiful show as we always do. As na mekɔrɔ, na menya video bi na tie bi kakra ai. Na video no si na wante menka. Hence said there be ameyɛ no. Until we meet again. Adios. Akra mo nyinaa. We will meet again on another praise. Yanko video we see na say the bibi abada we Until we meet again. Adios.
I checked. The national chairman was saying that he's doing his tour, his thank you tour.
You agree with that?
My opinion has always been that we could have done it together. But the national chairman is doing it because everybody is busy doing something else. That is what he's doing. But I'm saying that irrespective of that, as stakeholders, since we won election, the relationship between the party and government haven't been the best. It is not about jobs. It's not about who gives who job. It's not about who didn't give who job. I'm saying the relationship between the party and the government to ensure that we succeed together have not been the best.
When you say the party, are you referring to the party at the base or party at Adabraka versus the Jubilee House?
No, there's no Adabraka and Jubilee House.
What I mean is at the head office of the national executive.
I am the elected head of the party's administration in terms of deputy. I'm the deputy general secretary. It means that all NDC people trusted that we can manage their affairs. And the arrowhead is the president who is the leader. The second in command is the national chairman. So in most cases, the national chairman is de facto if the president is not around. We have situations where it switches. The president is the leader of the party. He is also the leader of government. And I'm saying that our relationship as a party and as government have not been the best. It may not have been deliberate because when we came, there was too much pressure, everybody running here and there. We are doing well. Everybody is praising us for stabilizing the economy, stabilizing this, stabilizing that. But the danger is that we are leaving our party behind. And I'm concerned, as the officer in charge of operation, I am concerned that we have to go back into conclave to assess what we have done so far, what we have not done, so that we correct same and move on. The stakeholdership of the party is so huge. Look, every election cycle, there are people who go home. So we have former national executives, former constituency executives, former regional executives, who are part of the stakeholders of this party. Anytime we win election, a number of people go home. We have former appointees, i.e. former ministers, former MPs, former DCs, who are stakeholders of this party. They are also sitting on the fence. We have current executive structure from the branch to national. We have ministers, we have CEOs. Even though we have ministers, we have CEOs, we have board members who are also stakeholders of this party. There's a need for us to go back into conclave and to sit and assess ourselves. We have elders of the party. We need to run ourselves back to them because the elders of the party have decided to keep quiet. And that is dangerous for any government and any party.
Does it mean your center is refusing to hold?
It is not refusing to hold. These are normal challenges that any government, any party can go through. I'm just prompting that if we are refusing, when people are quiet, that's when there's a danger. And people, silence, they say it's what? It's good, it's golden.
They say it's golden.
Silence is the medium through which people perpetrate mischief.
Let me
want to bring everybody back, take responsibility, sit as a party, sit as a government. Let's look at how to move the machineries concurrently and make sure we succeed together.